Okay, this is a Autolite 4100, very popular carburetor Ford made in the late 50s all through the 60s. And this one is actually the first year, 1957, used on the 57 312 in the Thunderbird and Fairlane 500. And you can tell it's a 312. It has the, let's see here, yeah, right here, ECZ, stamped in the fuel bowl here. And over on this side, usually they have the Venturi number, but on this early one, for some reason, just has some letters stamped in there, but it should be 1.08 for the Venturi volume, and which comes out to a CFM rating of 480 CFM. That's what this carburetor is rated at. So, I don't know where I got this. I've had this for a while, and I'm going to rebuild it, but I think I'm going to send it off to this professional carburetor rebuild outfit and see how it comes back, because they're telling me they're going to, put all this metal, make it look like new, put it through a tumbler process and everything, and we'll see how it comes out. Let's see if I can pick it up with one hand here. It's got a heavy guy to hold the camera and everything else. Yeah. So, the other side of it. Yeah. There we go. Yeah, so here's the other side, the throttle side here. It has a choke, vacuum for the choke and everything. And it's fairly free. The primary's release free. See if I can get this with one hand. Hard to move one hand, hold the camera, but yeah, so this is stuck here, it seems to be, this accelerator pump here. But we'll see how it comes back and how it looks. Okay, on this side here. Okay. Yes, to show that this is a original 57 Ford carburetor, I have a 57 Ford shop manual here, as you can see. And in here on page, 53, it shows the diagram of the base, the flat base of 57 Ford carburetor. And as you notice, it has these passages here. It's a flat base, all flat surface, has this one groove here for the power valve vacuum port, the other over here to the choke mechanism. And if you go over here to the carburetor, yeah, you can see that right here. Here's for the power valve vacuum port, and here's another up to the choke mechanism. Yeah, and the whole base is flat. Other 4100 carburetors, they're not flat like this. So this is an original 57 Ford carburetor. Yeah, so I'm just getting ready to box this up and send it off to that carb rebuilder guy, So, give a little reason why I'm doing this. I'm going to try this on that Etzel. It's on my earlier videos that you see my 59 Etzel. It's got the 292Y block. And that carburetor on that I have is it's a Holley 4-barrel, but it's a small one. It's a Holley 390 CFM. Actually, it runs really well with that carburetor, but I'm thinking of putting dual exhaust on the Etzel, so I'm going to get this cleaned up and put this on it, and just see how it runs. So anyway, here's a picture of that Holley that's on there now. Yeah, you see that Holley? That's real clean. That's just before I put it out in the car a couple of years ago. And, it's got the 57 Thunderbird Ford intake manifold that you got to have to fit a Holley carburetor. Those work really well. So when I get this back from the rebuilder, I'm going to swap it out, put this guy on there, and see how it runs. And I'll probably make another video of it, showing how this looks when it comes back. And his contact information if anybody's interested. All right, thanks for watching, everybody.